Welcome to Alone Business Channel. Create a black and white lookup table. Import image2.jpg into Lightroom. Click on black and white available in Lightroom. Edit the white balance. Change the value. Edit tone. Change the value. Edit presence. Changes the value. Edit tone curve. Change the value. Right-click. Click Copy Settings. Click Copy. Select the image created by the lookup table generator. Click Paste Settings. Click Export. Change the name to MyLookupTable2. Click Convert to Cube in Lookup Table Generator. Select MyLookupTable2. MyLookupTable2.cube is created. Launch Premiere Pro. Add Adjust Layer. Select Adjust Layer. Click Browse under Input Lookup Table. Select MyLookupTable2.cube. Lookup table is now added to the Adjust layer. Let's check it out. Let's see how it has changed. Thank you for watching the video to the end. My goal is to increase my channel subscribers. Your help will help. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.